Today we're delving into the world of grounding. Did you know that earthing or grounding, facilitated by grounding mats, can harness Earth's energy, unlocking a myriad of health benefits? Stick around because by the end you'll be eager to explore grounding or earthing as well as grounding mats backed by science and real-life stories. Prepare for an enlightening journey that could redefine your health and vitality. Number 1. How grounding improves sleep. First up, the mystery of how grounding improves sleep. Picture waking up feeling a decade younger, all thanks to connecting with the earth. Studies have shown that grounding normalizes organ and tissue function, bidding farewell to sleep-disrupting inflammation. Now let's delve a little deeper. How does grounding play a role in achieving that elusive deep and repairing sleep? Resetting circadian rhythms. Grounding, especially when done outdoors, allows your body to align with the Earth's natural daily cycles. This can help reset and regulate your circadian rhythms, promoting a more consistent and restful sleep pattern. Reducing cortisol levels. Cortisol plays a crucial role in our wakefulness. High cortisol levels, especially in the evening, can interfere with the ability to fall and stay asleep. Grounding has been linked to a reduction in cortisol levels, creating a more relaxed state conducive to sleep. By grounding regularly, you may find it easier to wind down and enter a deeper, more restorative sleep. Shift in brainwaves to alpha state. Grounding has the incredible ability to shift brainwaves to the alpha state, a state associated with deep relaxation and calmness. When you're in this state, the mind becomes more receptive to sleep. It's like hitting the reset button for your mind, paving the way for a more profound and rejuvenating sleep experience. Melatonin regulation. Melatonin, often referred to as the sleep hormone, plays a key role in regulating sleep-wake cycles. Exposure to natural light during the day and darkness at night influences melatonin production. Grounding can help regulate melatonin levels by promoting a healthy sleep-wake rhythm. As a result, you may find that your body produces melatonin more efficiently, aiding in the onset and maintenance of sleep. Stress reduction and relaxation. Grounding has been shown to have a calming effect on the nervous system, reducing stress and promoting relaxation. This is particularly beneficial in the evening as you prepare for sleep. By incorporating grounding practices into your bedtime routine, you create a conducive environment for relaxation, allowing your body and mind to unwind and prepare for a more restful sleep. Number 2. The benefits of using a grounding mat at home. Now let's talk about the game changer, the grounding mat. Imagine having a direct connection to Earth's energy in the comfort of your home. These mats act as conductive bridges, reducing inflammation, neutralizing free radicals, and even shifting your brain waves to the healing alpha state. Tips for grounding during winter or indoors. Winter or busy schedules might make it challenging to connect with nature. The grounding mat during winter can be your practical ally for bringing Earth's benefits indoors when direct contact isn't feasible. Grounding versus earthing. What's the difference? Grounding involves any practice linking you to Earth's energy, while earthing zeroes in on direct physical contact with the Earth. Two sides of the same rejuvenating coin. Can grounding reduce inflammation naturally? A 2005 study revealed that grounding significantly reduces inflammation-related health issues by normalizing organ and tissue function. Number 3. Can grounding help with joint pain and arthritis? If you or your loved ones are dealing with joint pain or arthritis, this part is for you. We're diving deep into how grounding becomes a sanctuary, offering relief and improved mobility. Negative electrons from the Earth coat your red blood cells, making your blood flow smoother, a superhuman recovery ability. Number 4. The scientific studies supporting grounding. Let's delve deeper into the scientific studies supporting grounding, uncovering the remarkable ways it impacts our health at the cellular and organ level. Now let's address the skeptics and explore the fascinating scientific studies that validate the incredible claims of grounding. Brace yourselves for some eye-opening revelations. Oxidative stress reduction. Grounding has been shown to significantly reduce oxidative stress in the body. Oxidative stress occurs when there's an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in your body. Free radicals can damage cells and contribute to aging and various diseases. Grounding acts like a natural antioxidant, helping to neutralize these harmful free radicals, ultimately promoting cellular health. Protecting against electromagnetic chaos. In our modern world, we're surrounded by electromagnetic fields, EMF, from electronic devices. Studies indicate that grounding not only connects us to the Earth's natural energy, but also acts as a shield against the electronic chaos of EMF. It's like putting on a protective armor, guarding your body against potential harmful effects associated with prolonged exposure to electromagnetic fields. Enhancing organ function. The benefits of grounding extend beyond just reducing stress. They touch the core of our physiological functions. Research suggests that grounding can have a positive impact on organ function. When our bodies are in contact with the Earth's surface, it appears to create a harmonizing effect on various organs. This includes the heart, lungs, and liver, among others, contributing to overall well-being and longevity. Improving gut health. Believe it or not, grounding might even influence your gut health. Emerging studies propose a connection between grounding and the microbiome, the community of trillions of bacteria living in our digestive system. A balanced and diverse microbiome is crucial for digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall health. Grounding seems to play a role in maintaining this delicate balance, supporting a healthy gut environment. Promoting longevity enthusiasts, take note. Some research suggests that the anti-inflammatory and stress-reducing effects of grounding may contribute to a longer, healthier life. By addressing inflammation and supporting overall wellness, grounding becomes a potential ally in the pursuit of longevity. Number 5. How to make grounding a daily routine. Now let's make this practical. How can you seamlessly incorporate grounding into your daily life? I've got tips and tricks that will make it a breeze. Consider trying grounding sheets, typically made of organic cotton, offering a cozy way to stay connected to the earth as you sleep. If you're ready to experience improved sleep, reduced inflammation, and a myriad of health benefits, it's time to take the next step. Check out the description below for the best pulsed electromagnetic field or PEMF grounding mats that can transform your life. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more wellness insights, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, stay grounded, stay healthy, and keep shining.